Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable using separate contact list for our dual messenger function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for this feature and how to turn it on. First we need to go to settings. Then we need to go to advanced features menu. Next we need to scroll all the way down to the dual messenger menu. And here, as you can see, we have the apps that are supporting this function. And then at the bottom, we have use separate contacts list function. So turn this on to use a separate list of contacts in your second copies of apps. So we have the switch right here, as you can see. And when we open this menu, we can select contacts. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.